Hello friends, please subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon to get all the notifications. That is ICIC Brilliant Tutorials. So today we are going to start the concept of BPT. But before going to start the concept of BPT, I want to say that please subscribe our channel, share our video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications and all the new chapters that we are going to send you. So friends, without delay, I want to say you that as I have said you before the videos that we are not going to send only the subject mathematics but everything else, that's like biology, physics, chemistry. So as you have seen the before video, we have sent the chemistry, that is the chapter called cell division, chromosome, and in 10 minutes that lesson second part will be continued will be a very short time. So without wasting time, I will today explain you the BPT rule, which is very much important to you for the board exams. The similarity chapter. Before the chapters, what I have shown you that how to prove a triangle, but in this video I will show you that how to use BPT, means how to take out these ratios, the ratios of the side. Okay. So without delay, let's start the video. ABC is a triangle. BC is parallel to DF. ABC is a triangle. It is given that A, B, C are the 3 points on a plane board in which the 3 line segments make a triangle, and BC is parallel to DF. As you can show, I have drawn a line which touches the 2 points of a triangle. So that line is parallel to BC. So BC is parallel to DE. And AB intersect at D and AC intersect at E. Okay. So this line divides these two triangles not equal but divides the triangle. So for these two, for proving AD by BT is equal to AE by EC, we have to show that this triangle, I am showing you individually, okay? ADE should be similar to ABC. As you can see, I have written angle ADE equal to angle ABC because BC is parallel to DE. As BC is parallel to DE, so ADE is equal to angle ABE. Okay, and AED is equal to angle ACD because same reason BC is parallel to DE and angle A is common. Okay, angle A is common, but we need not require to write the third side because in two angles we can prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay, and triangle ABC and angle ADE are both similar triangles. We have proved that they are similar. So the ratios of those two triangles also will be similar. So AB by AD is equal to BC by DE is equal to AC by AE. Okay, AC by AE. Now this much part is everything clear to you because the before video I have shown you, this the two triangles are this much part will be clear because the next videos means the before videos are based on this much part. Okay, so now we will take this two pair. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. So in place of AB we can write AD. I have written here. In place of AB we can write AD plus BD, and in place of AC full line segment AE plus EC, because I said you this line divides two triangles. So AE plus EC is equal to AC, and AD plus BD is equal to AB. Okay. So now this by in place of AB we can write AD plus BD by AD, AD plus BD by AD, because in the base it is the AD. So AD and AE plus EC, AE plus EC by AE, because in the base AE is written. So now we'll break, means we'll make individual terms. AD plus BD, AD plus AD by AD is equal to BD by AD, BD by AD, and is equal to, as we have made the this part single terms, now this part also will make single terms. That is AE plus AE plus EC by AE. Therefore AE by AE plus EC by AE. AE cancel. So 1 plus BD by AD is equal to 1 plus EC by AE. Okay. So now in both the terms 1 will be cancelled. Okay. So now BD by AD is equal to EC by AE. So now what is asked to prove that AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. So as you have got these two, means this equation. So now you make reciprocal interchange. AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. Proved. See, if you have any doubt in this equation, I will in our description box email is written, and I am also saying you ICAC studies, @gmail.com is our email. So if you have anything doubt in this concept, please send in the email through our email. Any doubt, any question based on this BPT, basic proportionality theorem, and the converse of basic proportionality theorem I will also send you in a very few days. In 5 to 7 days I will send you that, and one by one I will show you everything of similarity chapter. I will show you by the help of video. And anything, any question you have doubt, you can send us in the email, that is in the Gmail section, that is icacstudies@gmail.com. Don't worry, we are here. Because and everything. So at the last of the videos I want to say that if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, and do not forget to tap the bell icon to get all the notifications and the new videos of our channel. Friends, thank you, and I will in 5 to 7 days I will show you the basic proportionality theorem. Thank you friends for watching my